Okay, so this is just looking at the calibration and testing of our sensors. Now, clearly because of COVID we can't get to them, so we're just going to look here. We have a setup that we're just wanting to see if our sensors and all are going to read properly. So our analog pins are our ultrasonic sensors in this case. Just using, using for an example is going to be hit into pin 0. So we're just going to run this now for a second over here and see. Oh, click run. And it's at 0 at the minute. So if we push harder on the pin over here and give it a value, we can see it. The microbit is reading a value. So if it goes over if it goes over 200, we're not really concerned about it because that in distance is too far away for our sensor. And if it is under, something like 78 or 50, it's too close to our bot. So we're kind of working in the range of 100 to 250. That's kind of what we're looking at as our distance range. As anything too far, we're not concerned because it'll be hitting off walls and everything outside of the ring. So that's kind of our ultrasonic sensor, and then obviously the microbit will read it and then it'll tell it to go forward if pin 1 reads it, and if pin 2 or if pin 0 reads it, and then if pin 1 reads it. So we'll just look at pin 1 now. Click play. There's something. If pin 1 reads it, okay, if it wants to work. Oh, pin 1. If I click the right one, it'd be handy. If pin 1 reads it, then within our ranges that we're looking for, our bot will reverse. So right now it would say, oh, there's a bot behind us, it's coming to attack. We would reverse to obviously attack it first. Then we're just gonna take analog pin out and put digital pin in, because for our digital pins, they are our push pins at the side. There are our switches at our side arm. So we're just gonna get that working there now. And so if we click 1, it's either, so this is telling me, oh, someone's after hitting the front switch. It is now on, and that'll tell us to go forward or reverse. Well, yeah, forward. So now pin 1, if that is clicked, right, so now it's telling us pin 1 has been hit, so someone is behind us attacking. It tells us to reverse. It's just kind of a fallback if the ultrasonic doesn't pick the competitor up first. Then we're kind of going to look at 2, and now if we click 2, that'll be on the right hand side. It'll tell us there's someone on the right hand side after hitting us, coming to attack. Tells us stop, turn right, and push forward. That's what we're kind of doing if the microbit is tested and tells us that they are receiving the right information from our sensors, which based here it's looking like, given the right pins, it should all put it in properly. So that's kind of our idea behind our sensors. So yeah, thank you.